Hello and welcome. In today's lecture, we will discuss the subject-verb agreement with indefinite pronouns. The subject-verb agreement with indefinite pronouns can be tricky, and 99% of the people fail to identify it correctly. First of all, what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific persons or things, such as everyone, someone, nobody, each, few, many, all, etc. Many people struggle with whether to use a singular or plural verb with these pronouns. So let's discuss the rules. For singular indefinite pronouns, such as everyone, someone, nobody, each, these are singular indefinite pronouns. These pronouns take singular verbs. For example, everyone is here. Someone has left their book. Each of the player is ready. So, singular indefinite pronouns always take a singular verb, such as in examples. In first example, a singular verb is, then has, and last example is. Next is plural indefinite pronouns such as few, many, or several. These plural indefinite pronouns take plural verbs. For example, few are interested. Here few is a plural indefinite pronouns, so we take the verb are, not few is interested. Many have come. Several are missing. So remember this rule, always take plural verbs with plural indefinite pronouns. The next rule is for indefinite pronouns that can be a singular or plural, depending upon the context, such as all, some, none. These depend on what they refer to. For example, all of the cake is gone. All of the cakes are gone. Thank you for joining with us.